Hey there, welcome back. You are watching SFDC-Chronicle. Today we are going to talk about CDC. Most of us are familiar with doing periodic export to external system, API polling, and also aware of development effort and complexity behind the scene. In this video, we'll make our life little bit easier with some of the configurable options present in Salesforce. Today we'll learn about change data capture. Using that, how to send data automatically in real time to external app will give you a demo on that one. Also, if you are a code lover, don't worry. We can leverage it in Lightning component and make use of it. So this session is a combo pack for admin and developer. So let's get going. So what is change data capture? Change data capture or CDC is a streaming product online platform that enable us to efficiently integrate our Salesforce data with external system. Using CDC, we can receive changes of SFDC data in real time and synchronize corresponding records in an external data sources. For an example, you have an ERP system and you want to have the latest changes done in account record that resides in the Salesforce. And you want it to be synced with the ERP. So what you need to do, you need to export, you need to run a daily night job that will export the data from our Salesforce system and then you upload the data in the ERP system. Now, good news, you don't need to do that much of work. No need to wait for the update to be present in the ERP system for whole day and rely on the nightly export job. You can do that at real time using change data capture. It's easy to configure and will show you how to configure it. It support most of the standard object and all custom object. Using change data capture, we can able to capture if any record is created, if any record is updated, deleted, and undelete as well. Isn't it cool? Let's check now how to implement the same. So log into Salesforce. I have already logged into Salesforce.org. Now navigate to the setup system. You can navigate to the setup from this gear icon and click on setup. Once you are in the setup home page, type change data capture and click on this one. You will get a page like this. In this page, I have already created change data for employee and case. If you want to create change data for any other like account, asset, or any other object, please select that one and click on this this icon, this one, and click on save. And bingo, you create your change data capture event. Okay, so it's too easy to create a change data event. It's just this way. So once you selected the entities that for which you want to enable change data capture, you can do this from this page itself. Once it is enabled, then you need to to get the data in the third-party app, today we are going to use EMP connector. Using EMP connector, how you can able to get the data in the third party. In the EMP connector, you can able to see in the JSON format you are receiving the data from Salesforce. So we'll show you that. So to do that one, what you need to do, first install EMP connector. Also, if you want to know from which URL you need to install that EMP connector, please follow this trailhead .salesforce.com, this page, and here you will get all the steps how to install, means from where you need to install, and after installation what you need to do. You get all the details from this trailhead link. So please go and look into this trailhead link. Once your EMP connector is installed, open the command prompt, and from the command prompt what you need to do, you need to subscribe that change event that you have created just now. So I have already created my change data for change event for employee object. Employee object is a custom object, and I have created and I have selected this entity. So to subscribe that from a third party, in my case it's an EMP connector. So what I have done, I have run this command, that is this one. You got this command also in this trailhead link. So go to that trailhead link and you can get this command as well there. In ARC, and provide your username and password. With the password, please, if necessary, please embed that your security token. Please concatenate the security token, and this is the channel name. So in case of any standard object, the channel name will be account change event. There will be no underscore underscore. But in case of a custom object, there will be employee. In this case, the name of the custom object underscore underscore change event. So that is how the channel names came. Once you run this particular command in this one, in this command prompt, you will able to see one message called subscribed to data employee change event. So that means you are successfully subscribed to that changed event. Now, whenever a data is inserted, deleted, undeleted, or updated on that employee object, you will get a JSON like this. And from here, you will able to know whether the record is updated, whether the record is deleted, or whether the record is created. There is in the JSON, you can see there is one change type colon create. From there itself, you can able to understand whether it is created or not. Okay, so let me create one change data and let's see how we'll get that here. Okay, let's navigate to employee object or record, employee tab. So from here, I just click on this employee and I will land to this. I have landed to this employee homepage. Now I click on new and I provided a name called Veronica. Veronica SFDC. This will be EMP 002. And I click on. As of now, there is nothing here. So once I click on save, and let's check once it is created. See here I get that created message and here I received this one. So in the change type, Okay, copy this. In the change type, if you're able to view, it is created. So we have created this one. So the change type is created. And we got all the details about last modified, what is the name, or we can get it from here itself. What is the record ID, created date, first name is Veronica, last name is employee 002, last name is SFDC. So we'll get all the details from here. And you get a replay ID as well from here, and some other like who is the owner, committed by who is committed this one, and also the entity, in which entity you have created this one, sequence number. You will get all this using this replay ID. If something is missed, then you can get that data from the channel itself. All the data will be retained in the channel for 2 days, so you can get the data from this event as well. So that is one thing, and that is really helpful, so that you don't miss any data and you can retrieve the data whenever you want. So this is a completely third party app that is used here. So this is how we can get the data at the third party app as a JSON format, and we can mm, we can get all the necessary details from there. So I have used here EMP connector. If you have any other third-party app, you can use it in the same way. So this is something related to configurable things that we can configure and we can easily use it. Now moving little bit to coding part. Using coding, using our lightning component or using trigger, how can we subscribe to this event and how we can leverage all the functionality and make some cool stuff from there. How to do that one? Let's check on that. So now I have also created my CDC for case object as well. Now I have a requirement that whenever a case has been created for me, okay, let's move to the case first. So whenever a case has been created for me, if it is a high priority case, then I want to show the owner a pop-up message that a high priority case has been created for you. Please look into that case. Okay. So suppose like it is the case is not created by me, means the owner is not um, someone else, and I have created the the case, but I want that that case owner should be notified. How to do that one? So we can do that easily via our lightning component, but let's see first what we want to do in our system. So suppose I have a case. This is I am logged in via another user. Okay. So now what I will do, I will go into a case, any case. Okay, suppose this one. Okay. Now this is already a high priority case. Okay, let me first change it to medium and then we'll change it to high priority. Okay. So now I have changed it to medium, and I want that whenever I change it to high priority, my this user should get a notification that that a high priority case has been added. Not necessarily that he is working or she is working in this case number. So not necessarily that this case number we need to change it to high priority. It may be any other number. So in this case, I am updating 1 to 9 case number. So if I updated it to high and click on save, see, I will get a message called case updated to high priority. Please look into the case. So that is how you can leverage this change data capture event as well. Now, how to do that one? Let me go to the developer console. Here I can show you, like, if you are using a lightning component, then this is the key feature to get the CDC event captured in your lightning component. You need to use lightning EMPI. And rest of the things is very simple. In the init method, I have just subscribe, and when this get destroyed, I just unsubscribe it. And this is the subscription map where we just hold the data. In this one, what we are doing in the subscribe, we just subscribe this with the channel. In this case, I have hard coded the channel as case change event, but you can make it dynamic. It's up to you how you want to use that one. I have given a simple example, but you can make it complex as well, as per your business requirement or as per your requirement. So I have put the replay ID as -1, and this is a subscribe event callback method. And here I have just set the subscription with the message event message that I am getting. And in the in the helper method, what I am doing, I'm just showing a toast message when the priority is high. So this is a very simple method that I just wanted to show you, that how to leverage this component, this event change event in your lightning component. You can also use this change event in your trigger as well. So to using a trigger, in the trigger I am creating a task. So let me show you that one. Suppose in the we have created employee 2, sorry, we have created employee 2. Now I just want to update the last name from SFDC to something like demo for the for just time being. And I want that whenever a last name has been updated by someone, I should create a follow-up task that to check with the employee. So once I click on save, it should create a task at the back end. So if I go to task and this is my task, and if I click on schedule task, so I will get that for employee 2, as I have updated the last name as demo, so I will able to get that a task has been created for this one, and you can do whatever you want in this task. So this is also a very simple example or very simple use case that I have used, but you can make it complex. So you can create any record whenever you receive the change event. After receiving the change event, you can do all the rest of the things. One thing just I want to make you like aware of, that whenever after receiving a change event, if you do anything on that trigger itself, it is if you create a data or if you update a data, it will be updated or created by the automated process. Please keep in mind, please keep this in mind, because if you want to debug anything, if you want to like check whether your code is working fine or not, or if you want to debug it finally, then please set the debug log with the automated process, not with your name. So that is one thing please keep in mind, that the record will be updated by automated process. So this is the three example that we want to show you in today's demo. So that's all about today's session. And please don't forget to leave a comment if you have any queries or want to have video on any specific topic. Please leave the comment in the comment section and also press the little thumbs up icon in the video. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.